Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick tutorial while I'm getting ready about how to do beach waves for short hair. So you guys can see my hair is a lob, I guess, a long bob. Maybe it's a short bob. It's a little shorter in the back, longer in the front. And I'm going to go ahead and just curl my hair like I usually do, show you how I get those beachy waves. One of the products that I use, I go ahead and I spray Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt Spray in my hair before I blow dry it. So I just spray it in there and then blow dry my hair, and it gives it like a good texture for curling. And then I have a 1-inch flat iron. Mine is the Bedhead flat iron. It's 1 inch, and I really like this one because it heats up to 400 degrees, so it gets really hot. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this quickly and show you how I get my hair to do those beachy waves. So what you do is you just take sections. So it's about an inch section, just kind of smooth it out. Then take your flat iron and you're going to point it down onto your hair. And then I curl it away from my face. The first one, you just kind of drag it down. And then you have your first curl there. Then I'm going to go to kind of underneath that one and do the same thing away from my face. And then the next row, I'm going to do the same thing, take a section of my hair, and I'm going to go towards my face. So that curl is towards my face. And I'm gonna do the same thing for this row underneath. Each time I do a new section, so now I'm gonna go away from my face. And this just gives it more of a natural, beachy, wavy look when you're finished, when you alternate, instead of having all of your curls go the same direction. I prefer it that way. You could do all of your curls going the same direction, but I prefer to alternate each time. And it really doesn't matter if you feel like you've messed up, because these are supposed to be beachy waves. So they're supposed to look a little messy. So don't worry about it if they're not exactly perfect curls, because you don't want them to be anyways. But you can always fix them when you're done if you don't like how one of the curls turned out. Gets a little tricky when you are at the back of your hair because you can't really see anything. But you just kind of keep doing what you're doing. And the same thing for this side. So I just take sections of my hair and again, since I'm at the front of my hair, I'm going to go away from my face for the first section And it's really important that you don't get too much hair in each section. Then I'm on to my next section, so I'm going to go towards my face for this one. I should have played some music or something for y'all. You don't want me to start singing. My dad has an excellent voice. My sister has an excellent voice. My mom can sing. I don't really know about my brother, but I didn't get that gene, so I won't start singing. Almost done. And really, this doesn't even take a long time. Like, I don't know how long this video has been so far, but to me, it doesn't feel like it's been long, so. But it is, like I said, it gets kind of tricky towards the back because you can't really see what you're doing. But I just kind of, it's like muscle memory. And you can get your mirror out and look and see what you've got going on back there if it looks crazy. Hopefully it doesn't. Okay, so this is what it should look like. And then all you're gonna do is take your fingers and go through your hair and kind of mess it up a little bit. And then that's it, guys. It's really simple, easy. Then I usually just take a, like if you didn't like how this side is a little bit, actually I think it's fine. But that's it. That's how you do it. If you want to fix any of these, if you didn't like them, how they turned out, you can just kind of coat back through it. Sometimes at the top, like right here, there's a little bit of kind of like a bend. So I just take my flat iron and I'll go back up here and just straighten that out a little bit. So it doesn't look like that, see? And maybe the same thing for this side. And now you have super cute beachy waves. Hope this helps. Under 10 minutes. Cute beachy waves. Talk to you later.